Braf bod yn ôl?
Ie, braf iawn. Teimlo fe'n y coesau nawr. Ond na, braf iawn i fod yn ôl. Wedi bod mas ys 10 wythnos. A dod yn ôl a ennill y gêm yn bonus.
Having come so far with a depleted squad, to lose like that in the very last minute, it's devastating.
Yes, I'd say a depleted squad, but a good enough team to have gone and won it. I thought we were the best team in the game. But if you don't defend really well and get out the box with crosses coming in, you're always going to be vulnerable to conceding goals, and the 3 goals that we've let in are absolutely horrendous. But I thought we were really good going forward. Like I say, I thought we were the best team in it.
Big win for us. Look, I think if we don't get Europe through second, or whoever finishes second doesn't get Europe, that's in the lap of the gods, isn't it? You can't really affect that. All you can do is do everything you can do to get that second spot. And obviously we're fighting for it, and we had to fight today, and thankfully we came out on top.
I think today was definitely a very big game in our season, potentially make or break. You never know when it comes to the end. But I think we've had a rough start, maybe a little bit false. In all fairness, I know we've had a point from 12. I actually don't think we've done as bad as people think. I don't think we're in a crisis or anything like that. We were unlucky at Carnarvon. I thought TNS turned it on, and sometimes that's what happens. But I thought today was a big win, very important, especially after the start we've had, points-wise anyway.
They've celebrated as though they've won the Champions League today, but that's good. It just shows what type of game that we've given them. If you take 8-9 players out of their team, it might have been a different thing. But like I say, there's no excuses. We should have won the game today. Should have defended better, and should have won it, and should have gone and scored more goals than what we should have.
We still need to improve on today. I thought Bala without a couple of players. We know what Bala are about, and they asked a lot of questions of us, and we didn't answer all of them, to be honest with you. But we deserved that, not just for today. I thought we deserved to win today. I think there's no question about that, really. But we've been on the end of some last-minute losing goals or equalising goals, several in fact, and perhaps we deserve one today.
This season really feels a strain with us for having injuries, a strain that there's not fixtures every week. I don't see many other leagues that have 3 weekends if you're out the cup. Them teams that play in the cup should be made to make their league games up in the week. And I just don't get it why we have so many free weekends, and then when you're training and stuff, we've had so many injuries. But there's a lot of teams in the same boat that have had a lot of injuries. Pen-y-bont have had the fair share, but I don't think there's anybody who's had as many as what we have. But it's just the way it goes. It goes like that. And like I say, with the team that I had out today, and 2 subs that come on in the last 6 or 7 minutes couldn't really go on the field, but I had to put them on because we had anything, and credit to them 2 lads that went on.
Rydyn ni'n gwybod bydd Hwlffordd wedi colli heddi, felly bydd yn incentive arall i ni i mynd i curo'r gêm a mynd 6 pwynt yn glir eto, ond chymod mae 5 gêm ar ôl dyn ni nawr, 5 gêm enfawr, Cup Finals, a mynd mewn a treol curo pob un.
Yeah, I mean, I left Cardiff, and I think looking back and now, this was definitely the best place for me to come. Having Griff as a manager is no one better I could have had, and I think the way things have gone turned out to be a good decision, didn't it?